Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video, we are going to be making 2021 vision boards, and you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a board, stickers, tape or glue, markers, pens, pictures, and whatever else that you would like to add to your board. So I'm going to talk to you guys about what is a vision board and what it can do for you. So a vision board is a tool that you can use to help you clarify and concentrate on what the things that you want to make happen for yourself. It's a visual of different pictures, quotes, or affirmations that serve as a source of information and motivation. So when you visually see your goals, you are more likely to achieve them. And just to be clear, a vision board and a mood board are two different things. A vision board is what I just described, and a mood board is an aesthetic blueprint of a project or something that you want to create, like decorating your house or something. So how do you start a vision board? So you don't have to create a vision board on a cardboard board, but you can create your vision board on Canva. I've seen people do that, or in the past I've created a vision board on Pinterest where I just want to look at pictures. But before you even create your board, you want to write down goals that you want to achieve. And these goals can be family related, it can be about your relationship, about hobbies, fitness, your self-care, or anything else. And let your main goals be very specific. So if you want to talk about your relationship, let that be like, what do you want your goals to happen in your relationship? Do you want to be more communicative in your relationship? Do you want to spend more time with your partner? Something like that. And then after you're done writing down your goals, find words or images that align with those goals and then glue them onto your board. And then your board is not going to look like mine, and that's fine. Your board is going to be unique to you. But once you're done, put your board somewhere safe in your house and somewhere that you can see it every day. And I like doing this because it keeps me on track on where I want to be at the end of this year. Alright, so this is my completed vision board, and I want to go ahead and go over it with you guys. So on the far left, I have ARJ, which is the initials of my jewelry company, A Lot of Ray Jewelry. And I want to do a couple things this year to improve my jewelry company. So I would like more sales. I want to improve the aesthetic of the Instagram and website page, more inventory and grants, so that way I can make the jewelry company into a bigger and better place that people can go to purchase jewelry, and more followers. So the black and white boxes on the bottom is like how I want the Instagram page to be set up. So all the white boxes are going to be pictures, and then the black boxes are going to be videos or quotes that I will put there in place of a picture. So when it comes to my Instagram, to the Instagram page and to the website page, I always want to have the word aesthetic in the back of my head this year when creating and just the overall marketing look of how I want everything. So that is my jewelry company. So I'm going to move on to YT, which is YouTube. So I would like definitely more subscribers. I want to be consistent, and I want quality over quantity. So even though I will be consistent, and I will stick to a schedule, but I don't want it to be sloppy, thrown together. I want really good quality to show people. So in the pictures here are ideas for thumbnails. So, and just the whole aesthetic of my YouTube page. So there we go. And then on the far right, so I have bachelor's degree. So I am getting my bachelor's degree currently, and I'm in the last year, and I'm getting my bachelor's degree in business management and accounting. So I'm excited, and then I'm trying to get as much experience as I can this year and get internships and whatever else is going to help me be a better accountant. And then I want to improve my overall self-care habits, improve my marriage. So there's always improvement in relationships. So meaning like I want to improve my communication. I want to improve my intentions that I'm putting out into my marriage. I want to set aside time for us to spend together or go out somewhere. It's kind of hard because, you know, COVID-19 and everything, but there's always something that I could probably do without relying on going to a museum or going to, you know, out to eat somewhere. But I would also like to drink more water because I want to take better care of my skin, and I want overall good nutritional health. I want to just eat mindfully, which is what I have here. Eat mindfully, be healthy, food and nutrition, fitness, protect your heart, because I feel like all of that, if I take care of what's going on inside of my body, it will just show out organically on the outside. So, and my skin will just fall into place. So, that's some of the things on my vision board. And up top, I have this quote that says, "You deserve better." And I'm so glad that I found that, because that's what I'm feeling. That's the energy and the mood that I'm in 2021. So I hope you like my vision board, and thank you guys for watching this video. And before I actually end this video, I want to let you guys know that if you haven't already seen the Allatare website, go ahead and go there, and you can get 10% off your first purchase. We have a lot of things. We have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings, whatever you like. And yeah, get 10% off your first purchase. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, give me some comments below, and yeah, have a good day. Bye.